what up? It's your boy Saigon, the almighty y'all father, man. We in Detroit for the first time. It's my first time in the D. Oh. We representing hard body.
Let me get into this shit, man. Let me know who I be.
King Paul, the motherfucking king, the y'all father, dimepeice video, nigga. You already know. And if your bitch is a dime, you better watch her, nigga.
Let me get into this shit, man. Let me know who I
be. We here all day. We in the D. We got to go tear down hard poles on a strange noise tour. You know what I mean? We're gonna do the shit right, like it's supposed to be done. We're gonna just chill and just hang out. Y'all niggas gonna see how we do it. Detroit style, nigga. Shout out to all the homies from Detroit, man. Shout out Trick and all them gangsters niggas out here, man. Yeah. Holla back, nigga, you know.
The attribute is God, be Lord Supreme Allah, helper to another God in need, indeed. I feed off a lot of the bullshit that tends to succeed. I was waiting, just went and took a minute to breathe. Even
I made an album for black people, and that's why they should have spread it. Because our people starting to fucking grow up and go, what are we doing? What is this? Why are we exploiting ourselves? Why we got our little young sisters in strip clubs throwing dollar bills at them when they goddesses and they queens? We violating our code of being black, man.